funny feeling when she walked in the room. And oh my, as I recall it ended much too soon. Say, oh what a night, hypnotizing, mesmerizing me. She was everything I dreamed she'd be, baby. What a lady, what a night. Hey, listen. Baby, I felt a rush like a rolling ball of thunder, spinning my head around and taking my body under. What a night. Baby, what a night. Hey, what a night.
All right, let us hear from our judges. Awesome dance moves. Let's hear from Conroy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, what a night. Yeah, hey. Look here. So, Casey, thank you so much for coming with that. You see?
Yes.
Because I don't know what else was going to take Anthony out of the raft he was in. That was good, 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 good. You enjoyed yourself. And you had fun, and you were probably most relatable to the disco era that there is in how you look and how you sound as well. Thank you so
All
much,
right.
sir.
Anthony.
Yeah, but thanks for retrieving a thoroughly rotten night in terms of performances. You could have ditched the tacky wig, but that's fine still. That had some energy. That's a Four Seasons classic, and you did reasonably good justice to it. Thank you for that.
All right, Elaine. Everybody come and dance like Casey. All right. Hey. Me say, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Casey said to me, you know, him say, I'm going to win, you know. And listen to me. This is what you did tonight. First, you won the sing-off, and then so far you have won the night. Great job, interpretation. You had a good time. You made it your own. I just never wanted the song to end. Oh, what a night it is for Casey! All right, thanks, judges.